We have here call. So it looks like someone here is calling the attention. This is a major arcana. Someone is calling the attention of the universe, angel guides right in here. Could be praying or dinadaan ito sa dasal, but definitely someone here is screaming, no? Parang halos pasigaw na yung nakikita ko rito. Yung parang energy na parang, alam niyo yung energy ng parang gustong-gusto mo na or whatever 'no. Like example 'no, yung isang bata 'no sa backseat 'no and then always asking his or her dad or his or her mom, "Ma'am, malapit na ba tayo dun? Malapit na ba tayo dun? Malapit na ba tayo dun?" Yung parang gano'n. Parang atat, 'yan 'no. So may gano'ng klase ng energy, okey. Atat or maybe someone here na desperate, desperado, desperada. Yes. Okay. So I have a vision right now. I'm seeing someone here, sugatan niya. Okay? That's the Tagalog word, no? Sugatan, no? Hindi siya yung basag ulo. Hindi siya yung ibig sabihin na siya ay ah, pinagtripan or whatsoever, no? Sugatan, no? Wherein I'm picking up more likely idiomatically expression, no? Na siya ay bugbog sarado 'no, sa kanyang emosyon 'no. Siya ay sugatan 'no, yung puso niya ay sugatan, yung damdamin niya ay sugatan 'no. Parang knockout, bugbog sarado, 'yan mga babes 'no. Whether that's uppercut, 'yan 'no, or flying kick, sugatan ang kanyang puso, okay. So let me see, 8 of air, 4 of air. Okay. Center of the reading, world in reverse, Ace of air energy, and yeah, messenger of air energy. You know what I'm picking up right here? Okay. This person here is somewhat, no, parang iniisip niya rito mga babes, no, na ah, sana, no, or hoping siya, like I'm seeing someone here praying, no, hoping siya dito, no, na habulin mo siya, yan mga babes, no, kahit hindi kasi Lydia De Vega. At kung ito man mga babes, no, ay may pagitan sa inyo rito, no, na physically far, no, yan, hindi ka rin naman si Michael Phelps, no. Yun yung mabilis na swimmer, yeah, mga babes, no. So nakita natin dito that this person here, umaasa siyang hahabulin mo siya. Yan, okey. Hahabulin mo siya, mapatubig man yan, mapahimpapawid mga babes 'no, yan, okey. So yeah, let me see more. We have here the 6 of earth energy, 8 of fire. Ah, okay. Hermit. This person's waiting on you. This person's waiting on you, hinihintay ka niya. Bottom of the deck, we have the strength card energy, page of fire, fortune's wheel. I go. Okay, so before we dive deeper sa inyong reading, let me just make bate everyone first. Hi and hello there everyone. My name is Yan. Welcome you subscribers, returning tambayers. Thank you po sa inyong walang sawang love and support for me. At kung hindi niyo pa knows, meron tayong main channel ang The High Priestess, no? Kung saan ang link niya ay inilagay ko po sa description box ng reading na to. So if interested, just click that link para kayo ay mapunta there. At araw-araw ay nag-upload din tayo doon ng collective readings for all signs. At syempre kung hanap ninyo ninyo ay reading per zodiac sign. Meron din po tayo do'n 'no, at ngayon nagsisimula na ako mag-upload ng ating mga August 2025 readings 'no, per zodiac sign. So, puwede kayo mga babes manood do'n at antabayanan 'yan 'no, ang mga ating uploads. But please do know 'no, na lahat ng ating mga readings 'no, ay timeless. Meaning to say, puwedeng ito ay nangyari na sa iba, puwedeng ito ay nangyayari na sa iba naman ay mangyayari pa lamang 'no. At siyempre kahit matagal na uploaded ang isang video 'no, lalo na kung feeling ninyo tinatawag pa rin kayo nito upang panoorin, buksan 'no, at pakinggan, then maaaring yun pa lamang 'no, ang right time para marinig mo ang mga messages na nakapaloob doon. So yeah, okay. May free will kayo ha kung gusto niyong i-claim yung mga messages at gawing guidance or hindi. But here, malinaw na malinaw, no? That with the love, aid of water energy, 5 of water right in here, sugatan ang kanyang puso, ang kanyang damdamin. 8 of air energy, 4 of air. This person here, nakikita ko siya nagpapabalik-balik sa familiar places, no? Na magkasama kayong dalawa. I'm seeing traces, okay, mga bakas kung saan nanggaling kayo doon. You visit that place more often. Before 'no, or noon 'no, sa inyong past 'no, whether that's kainan, restaurant, coffee shop, milk tea house, okay, even parke, okay, or even ang favorite tambayan place ninyo, hangout ninyong dalawa 'no, were there, a lot of memories 'no, kayong dalawa, a lot of moments you created 'no. Okay, just the two of you guys 'no, binabalik-balikan niya 'yon 'no, at kumakain rin siya rito ng pagkain na madalas ninyong kainin together, madalas ninyong orderin siguro 'no, and also I'm picking up right here 'no, that this person here, meron pa siyang nakatago dito. Although nakita ko yung iba, pinagtatapon niya na way back before niya. I'm seeing couple things, okay? Maaring pair yon, maaring ito ay may gamit ka din, nakahawig noon, no? Yeah, it's a pair, no? Like let's say it could be clothes na parehas kayo ng damit way back before. It could be accessory, it could be a ring, okay? Pair, no? Mga ganyan. May mga nakita akong tinapon niya, okay, during the separation. Pero may mga nakita ako rito, no, na literal na hinanap niya ulit, no, lalo na nung nagkaroon siya rito with the hermit energy ng awakening moments, no, yung major realization right here, no. So, kung sino man tong energy na to with the world right here in reverse energy, Ace of Air and the Messenger of Air. By the way, this is the Knight of Swords energy. This person here, umaasa pa rin siya rito mga babes, no? Na one day, kakatok na lang kayo, no? Sa kanyang life ulit, no? Na one day, kakatok na lang kayo sa life niya ulit, or literal na one day, kakatok na lang kayo sa door niya, no? Sa kanyang bahay right here, or pupuntahan niyo siya rito, no? Knight of Air energy, okay? At this person here is hoping 'no, na hindi pa ito ang huli for you guys 'no. Hoping pa rin siya rito 'no, na muli mong i-reopen or buksan muli 'no, ang inyong chapter right here 'no, 'yan. At kung papayag kayo na magkaroon kayo rito ulit ng pagbabalikan, sisiguraduhin niya rito mga babes 'no, na isa na itong klase ng situation na hindi niya hahayaang magtapos, 'no. Yeah, I'm getting that this person here is telling me to tell you guys, 'no, na kamatayan lamang ang makapaghihiwalay sa inyong dalawa. That's coming in very strong, that's why I mentioned it. Kung sino man ito, well, hindi na nakakapagtaka because umpisa pa lang, this person here is giving me that kind of vision, and also the message is coming in so intensely. Nasugatan siya rito ang kanyang puso per se. So kung sino man tong energy ni ito with the 6 of earth energy and the 8 of fire, yeah, okay, hermit. Ibig sabihin, meron siya ritong hinihintay, no, na message from you guys, no. Long-awaited message right here, no. Yeah, this person here is really waiting on you, waiting for you to come forward to him or her, to come running, no, no? And with open arms, no, na gusto mo siyang hagkan, gusto mo siya ritong halikan, gusto mo siya ritong i-welcome back into your arms, no? This person right here, no, is definitely fantasizing about that reconciliation, rekindle ng love ninyong dalawa, no? But it seems that the door is still closed. You are the only one na magbubukas niyan. That's why ito ay naka-align with the world card. Yeah, look at this. See? Ikaw lamang yung makakapag-open niyan kung gusto mo pang buksan muli, no? Ang pagkakataon upang magkaayos, magkabalikan kayong dalawa. Pero yung iba, okay, yeah, nakikita natin dito ng malinaw, no, na miss yan, sige kakausapin ko siya, pero hindi ko na siya bibigyan ng chance ulit na magkabalikan kami. Makikipag-ayos, yes, pero makikipagbalikan, I don't think so, miss yan. Yan. Yung iba, wala tayo dito no, na judgment, so your feelings are all valid. Whatever it is that you want to do with this connection, it's really up to you as long as alam mo kung ano makabubuti for you guys. Okay, and yeah, with the strength card right in here, page of fire, fortune's wheel, I do see that this is something here that definitely, no, painful para dito sa inyong past lover with the page of fire and fortune's wheel, okay? Yeah, losing hope, no? Almost giving up. Yun yung nakikita natin dito. Almost giving up, pero still hoping, okay, na makababalik kayo sa kanyang feeling, 'yan 'no. Pero siyempre nasa sa inyo 'yan 'no. This person here, alam mo, nakakaloka 'no, kasi alam mo sa nakikita ko dito na parang siyang gumagawa ng music video for a sad song. Yung kumakain siya dito ng familiar ninyong kinakain or yung favorite ninyong orderin 'no, and then reminiscing 'no, na nandodo'n kayo sa tabi niya or sa tapat niya 'no, and you're chit-chatting 'no, everything under the sun, yung mga pinag-uusapan ninyo 'no. This person is definitely reminiscing 'no, at naririnig niya 'no, sa kanya ritong thoughts yung iyong tawa, your laughter right here 'no. And yeah, hindi ko maikakaila that this person here especially 'no, yeah, mahina yung kanya ritong energy 'no. Whether this is a guy, okay, nakikita ko yung pagkalambot ng kanyang energy 'no. Even this is a guy, he or she is, embodying yung feminine energy 'no, na nakikita nating very weak. Kaya this person here is nangingilid yung kanyang luha 'no, okay, habang binabalikan niya ang inyong mga memories together 'no. Eating the same food, okay, and going to places you both talaga na pinupuntahan 'no. This is screaming pain, nagsusumigaw na pain rito 'no, pero wala siyang magawa 'no, kundi antayin lamang kayo, okay. Kahit na hindi sigurado kung gusto niyo pang makabalik sa kanya. Yan. Yeah, with the love right in here, definitely this person is now operating from the place of loving you. Okay? But yeah, for others of you, it's too late na miss yan. It's too late na miss yan. Okay? Kahit na magbalik pa siya at kahit na araw-araw pa sabihin ng reading na magbabalik siya, it's too late na miss yan. Yan. Siniintindihan ko rito kayo, babes, if that's your situation and that is how you feel towards this past lover, no? Pero yun nga yung iba rito, hindi ko alam, miss yan. Hindi ko alam kung kaya ko pa siyang pagkatiwalaan. Yan, okay? So whatever it is that you do, I'm counting on you and nakita ko rito no that you've already surpassed this painful traumatic no na ano man ritong nagawa niya sa inyo guys no. You came out from this no. So dati kayo yung sugatan, ngayon siya yung sugatan. So nakita ko rito that this person here is now someone who is experiencing, no? Hindi lang yung same na pinagdaanan niyo, it's doubled, no? Doble, might be tripled pa nga. So nakita natin dito that this person here is really hurting inside, no? 'Di ba? Parang kung ito yung klase ng energy, mas iwi-wish na lang niya na yung hurt, manggaling sa sugat kasi ang sugat pagka yan ay araw-araw mo talaga na ginagamot, 'di ba, maghi-heal yan, 'di ba? Mawawala rin yung pain, pero yung pain emotionally, ay naku, tumatagal yan even after so many years, even after a decade pa nga, 'di ba? So yeah, this person here is really in pain. So much pain, no? He or she is like a sugatan soldier, no? Coming, okay, sa isang war na hindi niya alam kung kailan matatapos. Yeah, so these are all the messages we've got. Yeah, okay, we've just saw one letter, might be initials ninyo or part of letters right here. Just take how this resonates, okay? We have here the letter R. Okay, so yeah, these are all the messages we've got right here for you guys. Thank you so much. Again, I'm Yuriana on me. Sarang Love and Light.